Welcome to lesson number 10, E flat major scale. Our objective is that it is expected of you to play E flat major scale across the fretboard. E flat major scale involves E flat, F, G, G sharp, B flat, C, D, then E flat. So if you look at my fingers now from here, you can start with your first finger like this. Start with your first finger on the first fret on the D string. Okay, you get your E flat. First finger, third finger, place F. Open G. First finger, place G sharp. Third finger, place B flat. First finger, place C. Third finger, place D. And then fourth finger, place E flat. So you get something like this. Good. You can also play it this way, beginning from the fourth fret on the B string with your second finger, and then play it like this. You see? So your fourth finger is at the sixth fret on the A string, and then it ends at the fourth fret on the B string. So like this. You can also go downwards and play, sorry. So you get a shape like this. You have your shape like this. Then you get your do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. Then you play backwards. Very good. So very good, very good. You can also start from the 11th fret on the little E string with your second finger and play it this way. Look at me. Then you go on.